This wig looks so natural. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. Let me show you how I got this curly wig hairstyle, baby. Keep watching. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Adia Sherelle. I'm putting on this wig. I know it looks crazy right now, but it's fine. And I didn't glue this down, by the way. I'm starting out with my flat iron, straightening the section first. Then I go back and I curl it. You see me curling it right at the root. I'm flipping it under, then I'm sliding it down ever so gently, and then I start to curl it back up again, okay? I'm going to continue to hold it there until it's set, and then I start to like open it and close it just to wiggle it free. And then I gather the curl together. While it's cooling off, I spray with hairspray. You see my face? I don't even ask. Okay, now I realize I don't have to go and straighten the piece first. It's straightening as I curl it. Yeah, eliminate steps when you can. Doing the same process. So you see I'm carefully going to the end of the hair and then rolling it back up. This way you're making sure the whole section is curled. And then I just slide it through. Okay, I'm getting there. We're near the top. I know I look like George Washington with those tight curls on the sides. Anyway, I'm nearing the top of my hair and the pieces are getting longer, so it's taking a little bit more work. I'm using both of my hands here. I'm holding one piece, gauging when I get to the ends of the strands, and then I'll roll it back up. Wait, pause. Did you subscribe yet? Go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm going to pause it for you and then come back. I keep it here a little bit longer. I really want to make sure near the root is curled, okay? Real tight. I start to shake and shimmy that thing through. And thank God I had these long nails because that prevented me from burning my little fingertips, okay? And then I spray each section because I want it to set, baby. I don't want these curls to be all the way dropped by the time I leave my destination. I'm showing you all a little close up, and you see how I wrap that hair right away? And then I'm turning it at the same time while I'm sliding it down. It's a process, but you'll definitely get the hang of it, okay? Ooh, baby, look at that steam coming off of that. Oh, and I lost it. You know, it happens. It's fine. Just gonna start all over again. It's totally fine. It's not your hair. It's the wig's hair. She'll be all right. Starting again, and I'm just sliding through. Once it gets to the end, I roll it back up again. All right, do little dance, let me shimmy shake, little shoulders, throw the shoulders in it. Okay, we're done. Don't want to burn it here. Oh, she got a little bit more. Keep it going. Keep it going. Now that that is all said, I'm just wiggling it out, but also using my nails to make sure the curls are together. Look at her. And that, the faces. Hey, I was getting ready for a concert, so I was a little hyped. Now to the front. Okay, when I get to the front, I make sure these curls are tight, okay? These are the Sunday church tight curls back in the day. I'm also kind of bringing it forward a little bit, but the main thing is making sure those curls are tight. You hear me? Same process. And I kind of want it to like fall down a little bit, like right up to my eyebrows. That's the type of shape I want to go for, like a curly afro shaped type of situation, okay? You see how tight those curls are? Like an usher at the 9 a.m. service, but then I done messed up that little part, but that's okay. You could go back and fix it, which I did, and it's all good. Okay, trying to not blind myself with hairspray, and here's my boo. Hey! Listen. Oh, look at you. Oh, you look gorgeous. Girl, just a couple more curls.
I'm ready.
It's me. Year. I'm almost ready.
She always. You don't remember in Mexico every day we was waiting for her?
See, New Yorkers always got extra to say.
It's got a
So this
mirror.
is
She
one
still
time
got
I got
the chance on it.
I know. know, since I'm already running behind schedule, I'll probably just keep this one.
I could have wear Balenciagas, but I was just gonna wear Jordans. I got triple S's.
Okay, so I am in the second row of the front of my hair, and I'm still curling it towards the front. That's how I want the curls to fall. What? She's gonna be walking around flopping and stuff.
Put on a diamond necklace like the bracelets.
You vlogging or something?
Yeah.
You in the vlog?
Yeah, she is.
So I could be on the internet. Don't you want to be on the internet? See,
I almost took her out. But anyway, I finally finished the front. You see all the curls that are going forward. This one piece was still struggling. I was like, no, I have to fix this now before it gives me trouble later. And I'm just going ahead and fixing that, and it's still giving me the blues. We fixed her and we sprayed her down. Now I go in and I start to separate the curls. You definitely want to be careful with this. You see, even sometimes when I separate the curls, I twirl it around just to keep the form and the structure of the curl. And you continue to do this until it is the shape and the volume that you want. I wanted big hair. I did not want to look like Shirley Temple. So I worked it and worked it and worked it until it was doing what I needed it to do, what needed to be done. Here I was like, let me just flip her and shake her around. Do whatever you need to do, okay, to get the look that you are going for. Make sure you don't separate too much. You want the curls to last. Here I'm separating it right down the middle. This is where the shape started to come alive. It was beautiful, coming together nicely. And y'all, look at the finished look. Adorbs. I can't even. I had a blast at the concert. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.